Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Valorant mobile app not launching on Android. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android phone. So simply restart your phone and then launch Valorant mobile app and check. Second solution is to check for Valorant mobile app update. So simply make sure that you are running the latest version of Valorant mobile app. If you see any update available, then simply update it and then launch Valorant mobile app and check. Third solution is to check internet connection. So make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then launch Valorant mobile and check it is launching or not. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then you can launch Valorant mobile app and check whether it is launching or not launching. If possible, then you can also connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fourth solution is to force stop or force close Valorant mobile app. So tap and hold the Valorant mobile app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Now you can launch Valorant mobile app and see. Next solution is to clear Valorant mobile app cache. Again tap and hold the Valorant mobile app, tap on app info, go to storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it, click on clear data and confirm it. Now launch Valorant mobile app and see whether it is launching or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So simply open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and from here you can install any reputed VPN app such as Surfshark VPN, NordVPN, Proton VPN, VPN Lumus, Octohide VPN, and install any reputed VPN from Play Store. Launch it and connect to different location than the current location and then launch Valorant mobile app and check. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch Valorant mobile app and check. And the last solution is to reinstall Valorant mobile app. So simply tap and hold the Valorant mobile app and click on uninstall option and uninstall it, and then reinstall the Valorant mobile app from wherever you have installed it and then launch Valorant mobile app and check the launching issue has been fixed or not. So by this way you can fix Valorant mobile app not launching on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.